Assalamualaikum and hi to our panel and to people that watch our video. Today we're gonna present to you our final year project video about shoe sterilizer aka shoe thread. So my name is Nur Shakira binti Hamid and my metric number is DL12030 and my partner is
Muhammad Razif Muhammad Rafi. My metric number is DL12007 and our supervisor Tuan Hafiz bin Hafizan.
The shoe sterilizer is a device designed to eliminate harmful bacteria and viruses from the soles of shoes, helping to reduce the risk of infections and improve oral hygiene. Our shoe sterilizer uses an Arduino Uno microcontroller to control the system, along with an LCD display to provide user feedback and a UV light, water pump to sterilize and sterilize the shoes, and an IR sensor to warning user to close the door of the device. When a user puts shoes onto the shoe sterilizer, push button to turn on device. The water pump is activated and sprays a fine mist of water onto the soles of the shoes, helping to loosen any dirt or debris. The UV light is then turned on, which helps to kill any harmful bacteria or viruses that may be present. The user can monitor the progress of the sterilization process on the LCD display, which provide real-time feedback on the status of the system. Overall, our shoe sterilizer offers an effective and convenient way to keep shoes clean and free of harmful pathogens, helping to promote public health and improve overall hygiene. Next is problem statement. First, incomplete sterilizations. If the shoe sterilizer is not working properly, it may not fully eliminate harmful bacteria and viruses from the sole of shoes, which could still pose of risk infections. Second, safety concerns. Some shoe sterilizer use UV light, which can be harmful to skin and eyes if not used properly. Additionally, there are maybe safety concerns related to electrical component of the shoe sterilizer. Third, compatibility issues. Some shoes may not be compatible with certain types of shoe sterilizer, either because of their size, shape, or material. And next is objective. First, to design a shoe sterilizer to disinfecting and deodorizing. Second, to reduce the risk of infections. By creating a shoe sterilizer, we can help to reduce the risk of infections from harmful bacteria and viruses that can be carried on the sole of shoes. Third, to improve hygiene. Keeping shoes clean and free of harmful pathogens can help to improve overall hygiene and create a healthier living or working environment.
Next is variable for measuring temperature and humidity in shoe sterilizer. Second, temperature and humidity detect using DHT11 sensor. Alright, next is discussion. We already test all our sensor, which is RS sensor to detect door safety and DHT11 sensor. So we already test 3 times. For the first test, the result is detect. The second time, detect, and the last test also detect. And for the conclusion, to sum up, a shoe sterilizer is a tool that can aid in removing dangerous bacteria and virus from a shoe soles. A shoe sterilizer can assist in lowering the risk of infection and enhancing general hygiene by using UV radiation and sterilization technique. It can be a worthwhile undertaking even though creating a shoe sterilizer necessitates some technical know-how and access to specific supply and tools. A shoe sterilizer can be a useful addition to any home, workplace or public area if used and maintained properly. Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Razif. Today we want to do a demo about our final year project. So, let's have an LCD to show our temperature and humidity, also our sensor about IR sensor to safety the door. And then have a button on here and LED. So here have a tube for sanitized water to display on here and UV light. Alright, first I want to show about our first sensor, IR sensor. When we open the door, IR sensor will function and have a buzzer to warning the user, and have a show in here LCD is close the door, so user know what the buzzer meaning. So when we close the door, the LCD will show the UV light. Here have a button. When we push it, and then the UV The sanitize will spray the water to clean the shoes for 30 seconds. Alright, after 30 seconds for the sanitize and the UV light will turn on to make sure the germs can reduce the germs on the shoes. Alright, that's all. Thank you.